Part 4, Lecture 12, Paper 1, Statistics in Education for BA Education student, those who are appearing for semester 6 through English medium. This part comprises of about 30 questions. First question number, serial number is 66, based on the statement. Correlation is concerned with describing the degree of relation between variables. This statement is given by Ferguson. So all the other options are incorrect. Option C is correct. How many kinds of correlations are existing? The correct option is 2. So option A is correct. Rank order coefficient of correlation method is given by Carl Spearman. So option B is correct. Following statement is delivered by, the statement is correlation indicates a joint relationship between two variables. This statement is given by Lathrop. MCQ question number 69. Following statement is given by, correlation indicates a joint relationship between two variables. This statement is given by Lathrop. Next question. Meaning of coefficient of correlation of value plus 1.00 is known as perfect positive correlation. So option A is correct. Here one more question can be prepared like this. Meaning of coefficient of correlation of value minus 1.00. If minus 1.00, it means that perfect negative correlation is there. So whether it is plus 1 or minus 1. Next question, again based on the statement. A coefficient of correlation is a single number that tells us what extent two things are related, to what extent variations in the one go with the variation in the other. The statement is introduced by Guilford. So option B is correct. Next question is given here. What does mean by correlation of minus 1.00? So the correct answer is perfect negative correlation. Question number 73. Given figure belongs to which type of correlation? In this figure, on x-axis, the measurements is denoted by, or measurement is denoted in inches, and on y-axis the measurement is denoted in centimeter. So I want to get a relation between centimeter and inch. So as we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So as centimeter is keeping on increasing, in the same way the inches are also keeping on increasing. Vice versa, if inches on x-axis are keeping on increasing, correspondingly the length or measurement in centimeter are also keeping on increasing. So there is a straight line. If there is a straight line, it predicts that perfect positive correlation is there. Perfect positive correlation is an ideal condition, and in psychology or in experiment it is found rarely. So perfect positive correlation is found. Next question. In the next diagram, in the given diagram, which type of correlation is shown? Again, on x-axis quantity of extrovert and on y-axis quantity of introvert is to be plotted. हिंदी में अगर कहें तो सामूहिकता की मात्रा और व्यक्तिवादिता की मात्रा. Whenever the quantity of introvert and quantity of extrovert is to be plotted, and as we know that from this figure it is clear, as the quantity of extrovert is keeping on increasing, correspondingly the quantity of introvert is keeping on decreasing. So this type of correlation is perfect negative correlation. Next question. Formula for rank order correlation is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 multiplied by summation d square divided by n square minus 1. Here this symbol is called rho. Coefficient of correlation by rank order method. D is known as difference in ranks. D square is equal to square of difference in ranks. Summation d square is equal to sum of the square of scores of differences in rank, and be the total number of scores. Next question, question number 76. In the following figure, which type of correlation is shown? On x-axis, age is plotted. Age in years, and y-axis pace of work, कार्य की गति को प्लॉट किया है. It is found that as the age is keeping on increasing, correspondingly the pace of work is also keeping on increasing, but at a special point or a special limit. Suppose in this it is obtained at age of 30. So at the or till the age of 30, as the age is keeping on increasing, correspondingly the pace of work is also keeping on increasing. But after that 30 years, as the age is keeping on increasing, correspondingly the pace of work keeping on decreasing. So this type of graph, if it is obtained, then this type of graph is said to be curvilinear correlation. Sometimes it is positive correlation and sometimes it is negative correlation. So combinedly it is called curvilinear correlation. Next question. If the height of human being does not affect the educational achievement, then which type of correlation does it show? So as we know that height of human being does not affect on the educational achievement, then zero correlation is obtained. Question number 78. By which letter rank order correlation method is shown? So the correct option is C. It is represented by rho. Rho is represented like this, is a Latin letter. Next question. Product movement coefficient of correlation method is used by Karl Pearson. So the correct option is B. Product movement coefficient of correlation is shown by which symbol? It is represented by a small r. So correct option is A. If the value of correlation is plus 0.80, what does it mean? It means that high positive correlation is existing there. Next question. If the value of correlation is minus 0.86, what is the meaning of this correlation value? It means that very high negative correlation is existing between the two variables. On the next page, I have prepared a table through which it becomes easier that the value of R shows which type of relation. Suppose if you are getting value of R or rho from 0.00 to 0.20, negligible correlation is existing between the given variable. First point. Second, limit plus minus 0.21 to plus minus 0.04. If the value of R is found to be between this, then there is a low positive or negative correlation. If plus R value is plus, then low positive correlation is there. if the value of R is found to be negative and ranging between 0.21 to 0.40, then it is said that low negative correlation is existing between the given two variables. Next limit is, it starts from plus minus 0.41 to plus minus 0.60. This is moderate type of correlation. Moderate type of positive correlation if the value is coming in positive, and if the value is coming in negative, then the moderate type of negative correlation is existing. So plus, minus, these are the two type of correlation. If plus is there, then positive correlation is there. If negative value is there, then negative correlation is there. Now come to the next limit. It starts from 0.61 to plus minus 0.80, and it means that high correlation is existing. Now come to this question here. What is the if the value of R or the correlation is 0.80? So 0.80, what does it mean? High positive correlation. So this is represented by high. Plus minus 0.81 to plus minus 0.99, if the value is coming between this limit, then the correlation is said to be very high correlation. So in the next question here, the correlation is 0.86. So the answer is very high. Since there is a negative sign, so negative correlation is there. The last one is plus minus 1.00. If plus 1.00, then the correlation is said to be perfect positive correlation. If the value is minus 1.00, then the correlation is said to be perfect negative correlation. So in this part, in part 4, I have covered up to 82 questions. So part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, all these part comprises of it comprises 82 question from statistics in education paper. So this is all about this part 4. So up to part 4 I have covered 82 questions. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the videos.